Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, 287100 oxygen sensor. So to find this specific sensor, I'd first check to see if there is any wiring issue, because they are common because of the heat. It is a bit of a tricky one, but I'm going to try and show you all where it is. If we look at the bottom there, that little mesh on the side of it, there's that sensor there. That is the sensor you need to look at and replace. But before you replace, I would certainly check the wiring to it. So all these wiring, make sure it's all good, you're getting the correct voltage, and if you are, then just replace the sensor. That means the sensor is faulty. And you've got to remember, DPF do cock up here and there just because of the heat that they take. But there is your code. It's also triggered the other one as well, which they're all linked anyway.